Hi guys. So I got a delivery today, and here, I just received it today, and let's see what's inside. Okay, I want you to see it. So this is inside of the box, and I got this Beats Solo Air cushions replacement because I need some replacement for my headphone. So I bought one, and I want you to see it, how I install it later. I see how. So yeah, this is my Beats Solo 3, and look, the pad is not working anymore, so I have to buy a new replacement, and this is what it is. And I also order this webcast sound card. I'm gonna use it for my live stream. This is what it is. Cool, right? So this is what it's in the box. Let's see, and let's open it. Sorry about the sound, it's my printer. I don't know what's going on with it. There you go. Oh, nice. Look at that. Wow, this is pretty. It got this cord. This is nice. It comes with all these cords that I can use. Look, see. And this is fancy. This is cool. I love this. And I want to try, I really want to try it afterward. And let's see how it's kind of a little heavy too. Nice. Love it. And it comes with this. This is the instruction booklet that I can use. This is really nice because some of the instrument or some of the orders that I ordered, they don't have this. So I got some warranty card. So whatever happens to this, I can just give it back to them. I can send it back. So yeah, it's really nice, right? And I want you to see how oh, it's nice. Let me take it out from the plastic. It's really nice, right? Yeah, it's kind of a little heavy, and it said that it's I can use Bluetooth, and this is a rechargeable. There's a rechargeable battery. It's rechargeable actually. So wherever you go, you can just use it as long as you're in range. You're within range. So, right, look, nice, love this, and all the buttons, all of the input is there too. Oh, tremble metal. This is really nice. it's gonna be very nice if this thing we're gonna do its part in our live stream. So let's go and install it. There you go. Let's go and open it. There, that's what it is.